Unlock direct access to property owners and supercharge your real estate outreach with these powerful Propstream techniques. First, let's dive into Propstream itself. Once you've identified a property or a list of properties you're interested in, navigate to the property details page here. You'll find a wealth of information, including the owner's name and mailing address. While Propstream doesn't always display a direct phone number on the primary property details, it provides the owner's name and, crucially, their mailing address. This is your first lead. To maximize your chances within Propstream, look for filtering options. Some datasets within Propstream might include skip-traced phone numbers. Apply filters for owner contact information or similar categories. If available, keep in mind that the availability of direct phone numbers here can vary depending on the specific data subscription and update frequency. When Propstream's direct data is limited, your next powerful tool is skip tracing. There are many reputable online skip tracing services available. You'll input the owner's name and mailing address that you've gathered from Propstream into their platform. These services specialize in cross-referencing vast databases to find current contact information, including phone numbers. For individuals, this is a highly effective method for obtaining multiple contact points for a single owner. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, public records can be a treasure trove. After identifying an owner and property in Propstream, visit your local county assessor or recorder's website. Online search for the property address or owner's name. Often, these public records will contain the owner's name and sometimes, though less frequently, a direct phone number or an agent's contact information. This can require a bit more digging, but can yield excellent results, especially for more complex ownership situations. Finally, don't underestimate the power of professional networking platforms like LinkedIn. Once you have the owner's name, conduct a search on LinkedIn. If the owner is a business professional or a real estate investor, they may have a public profile listing their contact details or a way to send them a direct message. By combining Propstream's robust data with strategic skip tracing, public record searches, and online professional networking, you can effectively connect with property owners for your ultimate real estate investing success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful real estate investing strategies.